Maricar Reyes Pun is a Filipino actress. Reyes was born in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. She graduated high school from St. Bridget's School in Quezon City. She finished her Bachelor of Science degree in biology at the Ateneo de Manila University and studied medicine at the University of Santo Tomas, Faculty of Medicine and Surgery. She passed the medical licensure exam in 2008. Before becoming an actress, Reyes appeared in numerous TV and print advertisements in the Philippines and across Southeast Asia. Her first role came in 2008 via ABS-CBN's Comics Presents Capitan Boom, where she played a younger version of a character portrayed by Gloria Sevilla. She also appeared on I Love Betty La Fea and Precious Hearts Romances Presents Bad Brothers, which earned her the Star Awards for TV Best New Female TV Personality. In 2009, Reyes appeared in May Buka's Pa, wherein she played the role of Ina, a woman who lost her sanity because of her dark past. She also appeared in her first starring role in the series Your Song Presents Gano Kita Kamahal. The same year, she was nominated for the Star Awards for Movies New Movie Actress of the Year for the film And I Love You So, following a Cinema One Originals Film Festival Award for Best Actress in 2011 for her performance in Anatomía y Corrupción, where she played an idealistic young lawyer hired to replace a previous hearing officer in an unidentified family court. She was also nominated for a Metro Manila Film Festival Award for Best Actress for her performance in Shake, Rattle and Roll 13 as a blind mother. Reyes became a born-again Christian and attended Victory Christian Fellowship, where she met singer Richard Poon, with whom she had a relationship since 2012. In April of 2013, Poon confirmed that he and Reyes had been engaged. They married in June 2013. A definition: a portrait of Maricar Reyes, provided by Wikipedia as of the 6th of April 2022. Thanks for listening.